Hey, welcome back. Forums are a good place to get backlinks. So what you do is, just like the previous video, you use your key phrase plus the word forum. Make sure the forums that you find or that you're trying to get into are relevant and high quality. You don't want to join a forum which is from another country. You don't want to join a forum which is not related to services that you provide. And then in some forums, depending on how they are set, and in some forums, you can add link to your website in your signature. So let me show you here. Let me give you an idea. So I went to Google. I Googled carpet cleaning plus forum. And the first one is truck mount forums. I know the owner of this forum. He's a great guy, Alan. So if you scroll down, you'll see all these different posts, okay? Now you can also add value to these posts. Let's say if I'm clicking on carpet cleaning marketing, these are all the questions that are related to carpet cleaning marketing. Maybe you have answers to some of these questions and you can go in there and put your own views on it, okay? How to make Facebook advertising work for you in cleaning business and so on. So one, you learn a lot. Two, you also add value to these forums. And like I said, in your signature, in many forums, you're allowed to have a link to your website. So that's another way of getting backlinks to your site from your relevant industry. For example, if you were to click here, list your most effective advertising, okay? And then as you scroll down, ASAP, he's a well-known member. If you see down here, there's a link to his website. One here, Bojangles. If you click on this profile, you'll see there's a link to probably one of his websites. So this is a great way to get backlinks from your relevant industry, from other websites that have something in common. So you can look up forums, key phrase plus the word forum, join some of them and start adding value. Again, the idea here is not to get backlinks. The idea here is to join the forums, add value, build relationships. Getting a backlink from those is just an extra advantage. So I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.